Q4909. During flight, if the pitot tube becomes clogged with ice, which of the following instruments would be affected? A. The airspeed indicator only. B. The airspeed indicator and the altimeter. C. The airspeed indicator, altimeter, and VSI. The correct answer is A. The pitot tube measures the ram air pressure, which is used to calculate the airspeed. If the pitot tube becomes clogged with ice, the airspeed indicator will not be able to measure the ram air pressure, and the airspeed indicator will become inoperative. The altimeter and the vertical speed indicator, VSI, use the static pressure to operate. The static pressure is measured by static ports, which are located on the side of the aircraft. If the pitot tube becomes clogged with ice, the static ports will not be affected, and the altimeter and the VSI will continue to operate normally. Therefore, the only instrument that will be affected if the pitot tube becomes clogged with ice is the airspeed indicator. 4930. If you need to use an alternate static source during level flight, you can expect to see A. A higher indication on the altimeter. B. A momentary descent on the VSI. C. A lower indicated airspeed. The correct answer is A. When an alternate static source is used during level flight, the altimeter will read higher than normal. This is because the alternate static source is usually located inside the aircraft, where the pressure is slightly lower than the pressure outside the aircraft. This difference in pressure causes the altimeter to read higher than it would if the static source was located outside the aircraft. The VSI and airspeed indicator will not be affected by using an alternate static source. 4840. What is the correct sequence in which to use the three skills used in instrument flying? A. Attitude control, cross-check, and instrument interpretation. B. Pitch controls, power control, and trim control. C. Cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control. The correct answer is C. A pilot must master three essential abilities throughout attitude instrument training that are necessary for all instrument flight maneuvers. 1. Cross-check your instruments. 2. Interpretation of instruments. 3. Piloting an aircraft. 4855. What are the three fundamental skills involved in attitude instrument flying? A. Instrument interpretation, trim application, and aircraft control. B. Cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control. C. Cross-check, emphasis, and aircraft control. The correct answer is B. The three fundamental skills involved in attitude instrument flying are cross-check. This is the process of quickly and accurately scanning the instruments to get a picture of the aircraft's attitude, altitude, and airspeed instrument interpretation. This is the process of understanding what the instruments are telling you about the aircraft's attitude, altitude, and airspeed. Aircraft control. This is the process of using the flight controls to maintain the desired attitude, altitude, and airspeed. These three skills are essential for safe instrument flying. By developing and practicing these skills, you can become a proficient instrument pilot. 4862. What is the first fundamental skill in attitude instrument flying? A. Aircraft control. B. Instrument cross-check. C. Instrument interpretation. The correct answer is B. All instrument lighting maneuvers require the following three core skills. 1. Instrument cross-check. 2. Interpretation of instruments. 3. Piloting an aircraft.